Hello friends, in this video we will talk about mammalian cell. Okay, let us get into first the structure and the functions of the mammalian cell. So you are seeing here the structure of the cell. What are the organelles? Secretory granules or the vesicles, Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus, RER and SCR. RER as in rough endoplasmic reticulum, SCR as in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is centrosome, centriole, ribosomes. These are the microfilaments, mitochondria, lysosome, microtubules. Okay. Nucleus, remember nucleus is going to have an envelope or there will be small pore like structures. Okay. That's very important to remember. And nucleolus will be there. Okay. And then we are finding the plasma membrane outside. Okay. So this is the structure of a cell. Let's see with the functions of each organelle. First will be RER. RER is for protein synthesis. Just remember this much. This function will be done by lysosome, degradation of the worn out organelles. I will tell you in the coming slide. Okay. I'll tell you in few minutes. Now SCR is for lipid synthesis, for the synthesis and the metabolism of the lipids. Okay. Also for storage and calcium metabolism. Okay. And detoxification reactions as well. Golgi bodies is for processing, packaging and labeling and delivery of proteins and lipids. It is like when you have manufactured a product, you would like to give it to a customer, you will not give it just like that. You will or it's like even when you are gifting some person in a birthday party, you will not gift it like that, right? You will pack it, you will put the tape, put the seal and everything, label, put the happy birthday message and like that you give it to the person. That function is done by the Golgi apparatus. Lysosome, this is called suicidal bag of the cell. So all the worn out parts of the cell will be destroyed by this lysosome. Okay, and it will secrete perforin, granzymes. Please remember only this much: perforin and granzymes for the secretions. You can also write melanin and serotonin, that's your choice, but I would suggest please write perforin and granzymes. Okay, that is the main thing over here. Next, let us go to peroxisomes. Peroxisomes, I told you in the beta oxidation video, the beta oxidation of fatty acids is done in the peroxisomes. Okay, deficiency of which will cause the Zellweger syndrome. We have discussed it. And the detoxification of H2O2 and different metabolic processes. I told you beta oxidation, purine metabolism, gluconeogenesis, bile acid synthesis, myelin. Okay, you can write at least some 3-4 functions. Okay, and centrosome, movement of chromosome during cell division. Just remember chromosome movement. That's all. Mitochondria. Remember, mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. So what does it generate? Energy. What is the energy? ATP. That is the function. Okay. Also apoptosis. Even phospholipids also does this function. Okay. Alright. Next will be the ribosomes where the proteins will be synthesized. I'll tell you about this even in the DNA RNA video also. Okay. And then cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton will determine the shape of the cell, or just remember it will do the cellular movement and maintain the integrity of the cell. Okay, and nucleus, master controller of the cell. Just like master gland of the body is pituitary gland, like that master controller of the cell is nucleus. Okay, nucleus will do the central dogma. Okay, the replication, transcription, translation, RNA synthesis, all will be done here only. Okay, so these are the main activities which will be done in the cell. References from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.